Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: device model, OS version, and at least 20% battery so the process won't stop midway. Once done, make sure your primary account email, password, and any existing PIN or pattern are at hand. These are often required to unlock or reset. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy. This prevents authentication timeouts. Now that prerequisites are set, move directly into the unlocking routine with confidence. You should first try biometric or alternate PIN entry up to 3 times because devices often offer a grace window. Watch for explicit prompts and errors. If that fails, choose the built-in account recovery option, tap Forgot PIN or Unlock with Google/Apple, and follow on-screen verification steps such as email codes. If account recovery is blocked, reboot into recovery mode and prepare for a factory reset. This erases data, so use it only when account authentication is impossible. Once the device is unlocked or reset, complete setup. Sign into your account, restore from cloud backup, and reconfigure screen lock with a strong PIN or passphrase so you avoid repeats. Then re-enable VPN and test app logins, push notifications, and network settings. If anything goes wrong, record exact error text and capture a photo. These details speed support. A key troubleshooting tip: if account recovery is repeatedly rejected, allow 1 hour, then retry with correct credentials, or use the manufacturer's
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.